Welcome to Housepedia. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of modern Mediterranean design. Imagine transforming your outdoor space into a serene paradise, where rustic elegance meets contemporary luxury. Stay tuned as we reveal the secrets to creating a breathtaking Mediterranean oasis right in your backyard, with tips and ideas that will leave you inspired. Don't miss out, your dream retreat is just a few steps away. This enchanting stone cottage, with its rustic wooden windows and door, is a picturesque retreat. The vibrant lavender bushes in full bloom create a stunning contrast against the earthy stone walls. A cozy outdoor seating area, adorned with plush white cushions and bold blue pillows, invites relaxation. Stone steps lead up to this idyllic nook, enhancing its inviting charm. This serene setting captures the essence of countryside tranquility and natural beauty, making it a perfect visual escape. This charming patio space is a serene garden oasis. Lush greenery and vibrant orange fruits dangle from potted trees, creating a natural canopy above. A pair of wicker chairs with inviting orange cushions sit on a mosaic of pebbles, offering a perfect nook for relaxation or contemplation. The rustic wooden beams and the soft glow of a red lantern add to the ambience, making this outdoor retreat an enchanting escape from the hustle of everyday life. This serene alleyway captures the essence of Mediterranean charm. A traditional blue door, adorned with intricate patterns and a brass knocker, stands as the focal point. Flanked by vibrant orange trees and blooming pink flowers in terracotta pots, the scene is a burst of color. The white walls, with blue window frames and decorative tiles, reflect the bright sunlight, creating a harmonious contrast with the cobalt blue mosaic floor. This picturesque setting invites you to step into a world where time slows down, allowing you to savor the simple elegance and tranquility of this enchanting retreat. This picturesque alleyway in a Mediterranean village is a feast for the eyes. Whitewashed walls of charming houses are adorned with vibrant, blooming flowers in pots, adding splashes of color against the stark white. The cobblestone path invites you to wander and explore the serene beauty of this idyllic setting. Blue accents on staircases and windowsills complement the warm tones of terracotta pots, creating a harmonious palette. This scene perfectly captures the essence of Mediterranean charm, transporting you to a tranquil, sun-drenched locale where time seems to stand still. This serene sanctuary blends simplicity and elegance. A cozy nook with plush cushions in warm, earthy tones invites relaxation, offering a front-row seat to the tranquil beauty of a sapphire sea cradled by majestic mountains. Sunlight filters through an overhead canopy, casting a dance of light and shadow. Traditional woven baskets adorn the walls, adding a touch of rustic charm to this peaceful retreat that whispers an invitation to unwind in the embrace of nature's grandeur. This picturesque setting is a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life.